Codesignal Arcade first digit. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be telling you how to solve first digit by Codesignal. Let's begin. Find the leftmost digit that occurs in a given string. Okay, so for example in this string, since 1 is the first digit that you can see from left to right, it's 1. Here it's 2, and here it's 0. I think it's pretty straightforward. One way to solve this, I didn't do it before actually. One way to do it though is to for loop through it. And when you for loop through it once, the first time you see a digit, using this character dot is digit. If it's true, then you return that character. That's one simple way to do it. But I want to try an unconventional way that I happen to see, and I kind of like this way. It's pretty interesting. One way to do it is through regex. So you got the input string, right? Then you want to replace every character that is not, and this is the syntax for this regex. You want to replace every character that is not a digit from 0 to 9. You want to replace that with an empty space. So if I do this, then every character that is not a number will be replaced by an empty space, and you'll be left with just numbers. And after that, you just want to return the first character you see from that left index. Isn't that like ingenious? In one line of code, you could get the first digit like that. Am I right? Let's see if it actually works though. I saw it and I hope that this works. Shoot, it didn't. So let's see, what did I do wrong? Okay, so var. You don't put this caret, I believe, before the bracket. You have to put it after. That's one thing about regex. When you study about that, you have to be careful where you place those values. Now it works. Yeah, because if you put it before, this caret has 2 different meanings in regex. You can look this up. The one that we want to look for is that this caret means it's not, and the characters inside brackets right here of what we're looking for. So that's how you definitely use it. Well, I think now I can submit this one. I think it's going to work now. I suppose it takes about O(n) time. Because it's going to go through all the characters and just delete all those that are not a letter. And then we just really need to have the first character right here. So I suppose that its time efficiency is not so well. I don't know much about how regex works in time complexity, but I believe that's how it works. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe if you like my content. And please definitely do. Just kidding around. But if you do, I'm going to give you a regex converter that every time you say something through this microphone, it's going to just output the first digit that you said in your every sentence. So like if you say like, hey, I live around 34 something road, it just outputs 3 right away. I don't know what use case it would be, but if you like to subscribe, maybe you'll find out why. No, just kidding, guys. Take care.